Hi everyone, this is Gabe again. I'm a licensed esthetician and also an educator here at the Aesthetics Academy. Today we'll discuss about pills and what concerns they target. So chemical pills will improve the health and appearance of all skin types by strengthening the skin structure, reducing pigmentation, smoothing skin texture, and residual scars. Will also act diminishing acne. It supports the barrier function, and it also has age management properties which will reduce or even remove the appearance of lines, wrinkles, and the damages from the sun exposure. Chemical agents are performance ingredients and they have levels. There's light, medium, and deep penetration. And there's a variety of pills. We have alpha hydroxy acids, which works by reacting the upper layer of the dermis, weakening the binding properties of the lipids that holds the dead skin cells together, dissolving those cells to reveal the underlying new and smoother skin. We also have BHAs. The most known BHA is the salicylic acid, which is commonly used on cosmetics, usually for acne and brightening. It's very known for its anti-inflammatory properties, and different than the AHAs, which are water soluble. The BHA salicylic acid, it's a oil soluble, so it allows it to go deep in the pores and cut through the oil that is clogging that pore. It's also less irritating than AHAs. We also have the PHAs, which are the polyhydroxy acids, which hasn't been really long on the market, but it's been really known for its hydrating properties and also for boosting the skin cells regeneration. It is less irritating and it's really good for sensitive skin. We also have the retinols, which comes from the vitamin A and is very known as the tretinoin. So the tretinoin, different than the AHAs, the BHAs, or the PHAs, or even the enzymes pill, it won't act on the dead cells. It will actually act on the brand new cells, the ones that are reproducing, giving this renewal from inside out. Keep in mind that flaking may happen, you might peel off, so don't do it right before an event or a wedding or something important that you have to go. I usually try to do it 1 week prior so you have the brand new skin out for the event that you're going to. I also want to remind you guys that Herbal Skin Solutions offer their chemical pills protocols for free, that you can have it. Each and every client has unique needs, so that's why it's so important for you to understand each and every acid so you can really address and really understand if you or your client is a candidate for that pill. And now we're gonna go over the protocol for the Pro Glow 55% pill from Herbal Skin Solutions. It has a pH of 2.2. and it has lactic acid, glycolic acid, malic acid, and kojic acid. So after I washed her face, I will prep her skin with the professional prep solution from Herbal Skin Solutions. After that, I will occlude the areas that I don't want the acids to reach. So around the nose and around the eyes are usually the areas that I like to protect. After that, I'll come with the Pro Glow 55% solution, and I'll apply evenly to the skin and let it sit for 1 to 3 minutes. It's really nice to really pay attention on how they're feeling and how the skin is looking, because if they feel extremely heat or if they feel extremely uncomfortable, you have to rinse right away. After you're done, you will just rinse it with cold water. I will apply the neutralizer, also from the Herbal Skin Solutions. After I apply the neutralizer, they should not feel any tingling sensation. And I will also come in with this pH balance toner from Herbal Skin Solution to bring back the skin to its natural pH balance. I will also use this EGF Cellular Renewal Serum as a booster for the peel that I have just done on her. I will also come in with this Blue Moon Retinol Mask over everything to also boost the cellular reproduction. Seal everything that I've done with this amazing healing cream that will help heal and protect the new cells that are coming through. And that was it, everyone. I hope you learned a lot, and I'll see you on the next video.